Hello my friend, how are you? I hope you and your family are doing really well and keeping safe and healthy as always. So today I wanted to shop my stash to create a Valentine's Day look today, and I'm using two palettes today. So this palette initially that I wanted to use is from ColourPop, How the Grinch Stole Christmas. I have already used it maybe like once or twice, but I do find like the transitional shades are a little bit too dark, and then these two shades are a little bit too light to use as that. So I'm going to take the Laura Geller seasonless staples, and I want to use this shade called Serene here. Okay, that's a little bit better. You could see my face a little bit closer. I did already primed my face and my eyelids, so whatever I don't mention right now in the video, I will list it in my description box down below, and it may or may not have affiliated links, but you are free to do so if you like. So I'll go ahead and insert some music, and in the meantime while I do this, I'm going for more like a pink eye look, really traditional. So I'll start that right now. Okay, now I'm going to move over with this ColourPop palette, and I want to go with this really cute pink shade called Ribbons and Bowls. This right here. And I'll be taking my Pearlux blending brush and K805. I just put that on my crease. Okay, so for all over my lid, I'm going to take Stolen Stockings right here. It's like a really pretty pink duochrome shade. And I put that all over my lid. So for all over my brow bone shade, I'm going to be taking this shade right here. This is called Roast Beef. for my inner corner, I only see just one shade called Mount Crumpet. And this one has like a green undertone to it. It looks white on the pan, but it has like a green shift to it, which is really pretty, but not something I'm going for. So I'll go back to a Laura Geller palette, and I will take the shade called Frosting for this one right here. And I'll be taking my Eco Tools micro smudge brush. Okay, so now I am done with my eye look, and I want to use two blushes today from Revolution Beauty and from the Balm. So I'll be taking two shades and mixing it together. So this first one is from the Balm, and I'm going to take Instain and Argyle. This one right here. And then I want to mix it with the Revolution Beauty Dangerous Love face palette. And I'm going to mix it with Rooftop, which is like a really pretty shimmer blush shade. So I'll, in a sense, replace my highlighter since this blush is really glowy, super sparkly. Okay, so the last product I'm going to be using is for my lips, and this is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Yummy Gloss in the shade Daylight Pink. This was really pretty, and I think this one does have a flavor. Oh, this one smells good. It smells like candy. A little bit artificial, but still smells good. It does have a little bit of a tropical flavor, but it's super light, but I love how it feels on my lips. Really moisturizing. Hi, buddy. Hi. No. Looking at my stuff. Okay, my friends, so this would be my final look. Okay, so mini recap. I absolutely love all of the palettes I used today. So everything I used, including the ColourPop palette, everything blended out so beautifully, and I love the shimmers. It came out so beautiful, and it was so easy to work with. I absolutely love ColourPop as a brand. I feel like there's no other eyeshadow I would want to buy now besides ColourPop. They come out with such cute color stories, and the formula is always good. So thank you so much for watching, my friend. I hope that you enjoyed this look, and I absolutely love everything. I feel like it's perfect for Valentine's Day. It's kind of subtle, but it has like a touch of pink with like a duochrome shimmer. And I love shimmering blush shades on my face. And the lip product is just excellent from CoverGirl. So may God bless always, my friend. You be safe, take good care, and I'm wishing you a good day or night, whatever time you're watching. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe if you like. I would love to have you here. And for now, I'm going to go ahead and let you go, and I hope to see you soon on my next video. And also, I hope you have a wonderful, happy Valentine's Day, whether you're celebrating it with a dear partner of yours, or with friends, family, or even with yourself. I hope that you have a very blessed day, and yeah, I just love Valentine's Day. It's so happy. Okay, bye my friend.